Connecting your AirPods Pro 3 or any AirPods model to your MacBook might seem like it should happen instantly, especially if you're used to pairing them with an iPhone. But on a MacBook, the process can feel a bit less obvious, since you may not always get a pop-up right away. This can leave you wondering if your AirPods are in pairing mode or if your Mac is even detecting them. The important thing to understand is that AirPods rely on Bluetooth, and once you complete the first connection properly, everything becomes seamless after that. Whether you're using them for music, calls, or videos, this quick setup ensures a smooth and wireless experience every time you use your MacBook. Try these. Step 1. Open the AirPods Pro 3 case with the earbuds inside. Step 2. On your MacBook, go to System Settings, then Bluetooth, and turn it on. Step 3. Press and hold the setup button on the case until the light flashes white. Step 4. Wait for your AirPods to appear in the list of available devices. Step 5. Click Connect next to your AirPods. Step 6. Set them as your audio output device if they don't switch automatically.